Hi guys, today I'm gonna show this guy what is inside. This is the charger that Chicago Electric power system. Then I would like to know what is inside, and let's go ahead and check together. And this is the jumper. If you need anything for your car and needs to jump, and you do with this. So let's go ahead and see inside. What is the inside? Before you start, turn it back, and there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, 9, whatever. There's a screw that I took it away before. I started the video recording there. So it's gonna take time if I show it that. It's easy way to take it out the screw. And so after that, just put it like this, then open it. As you see, there's the sorry, yeah, I cannot open much more because this much I can open. This is the battery that is messed up. It's not charging anymore, this guy. So we're gonna take it out. Let's see what else inside. Okay, so just grab the plier and hold it this side, and go ahead and open it. I checked online that how much cost this battery replacement. It's cost like $35. Yeah, I think it's not worth it to get and put a new battery. It's not worth it. Yeah, because if you want this charger, maybe $7, $70, new one. So you don't need the hustle and change the battery and do such a work that it's not necessary. But for the knowledge, I was trying to take it out what is inside. I want to know. That's why I choose to take it out. So okay, let's this is the way. Hold on. Yeah, it's almost I'm gonna take it out now. This is one side. Okay, this is it. Okay. Then after this guy also another one here. I have to get that too. Same way. Yeah. Okay, it's done. Alright. This is the guy. Wow, it's so heavy. Oh, look at this. This is the guy inside. I find this RT12180 retard. So this is so expensive. $35 plus tax, and then everything is gonna be cost to you $40. So I don't think it's worth it to replace this battery. As you see inside, let's see, this is the, oh, well, I don't know what is that, but as you see, this is all about this guy inside. So we know now. We know this guy now. It's inside battery. So thank you for watching. I hope I am helpful you guys, and see you next time with another video. Bye.